Hi, I'm Anne-Laure and I'm in the middle of moving places. My house is a complete mess and I'm really hoping I can get everything packed before the deadline. And it's not looking great, so this is going to be a very short video. Of course, moving places can be fun and a great opportunity to explore different cultures. After all, the world is vast and it would be a shame to stick to the same place for your entire life. But research shows that moving places is actually associated with poorer mental health, both in children and adults. Frequent relocation is associated with psychological stress and vital exhaustion. You're understandably feeling more anxiety and more tiredness compared to if you were just staying put and cozy in the place where you're currently living. So how can you make moving places less stressful? First, give yourself some time. I obviously did a very poor job at this, and I think I could have cut my stress in half if I had given myself a little bit more planning time. Before your moving date, block a chunk of time every day so you can do a little bit of planning and a little bit of packing. Second, focus on your psychological safety. That means packing first the things that you're anxious about forgetting, such as important documents, medications, or anything that has a lot of emotional value to you. Just pack first anything that you know will make you feel better once you know that they are accounted for. Some psychologists even recommend to have a comfort box with all of your items of sentimental value that you want to unpack first once you arrive in your new place. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Ask your friends and family if they have an hour or a little bit more so they can give you a hand. Buy them some drinks and snacks and make it a fun time that you can spend together. If there are things you don't want to keep, they may even be interested in grabbing them and giving them a second life. And remember, in the words of psychologist Elizabeth Sterling, no matter how much you move, you always take yourself with you. Wish me luck for the move, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Squishy, squishy.